It's hard to describe the power you feel. The ability to change the steel to your will. I can literally take metal and reforge it into something new. You feel like God. I'm Sam Smith, the blacksmith. I live in Glastonbury and been forging for over 16 years now. Glastonbury is like Narnia on acid. You can walk down the centre of town in nothing but a green dress and no one will bat an eyelid. You're free to express yourself here and, you don't get a section for it. This is my main workshop. It's very small. Sorry about the mess. Basically what blacksmiths do is we get metal, we heat it up, that makes it soft, and we shape the metal. It's basically being 5 again, playing with Play-Doh, but in a molten sort of way. Some of the stuff I make are pokers, forged out of old gate railings and an old horseshoe. Hooks, forged out of, again, old gate railings. Blades, made out of old trailer spring, so you can always recycle. And of course, my own personal projects happen to be swords. The sword that I have, I've tried to forge it so only I can lift it. All it is for blacksmithing for me is just controlled brute force. When you first start, everything's going to start hurting, but you just need to power through it. As long as you got the control, the strength will come later, and those two combined comes the speed. You end up with black hands from the soot, your bogies turn black at the end of the day, you end up sweating, end up burning yourself constantly, but it's amazing, it's art. Between the hammer and the anvil, you can make as many things as you can really imagine.